Baby's coming. Some friends. Okay. Mama love you. I love you, Mama. All right. In a little bit, Mom.
Other countries, other Indian tribes, or Native American tribes. That's
like I was saying, y'all, I'm just leaving class. It's like 3:21 right now. I'm going home really quickly to get some money because what was I thinking coming without bringing any money? So right now I'm on my way home. I'm finna go get my money, and then I'm about to go get me some food, and then I'm gonna go to the beauty supply because I have a hair appointment tomorrow. And I have another appointment, so I'm just gonna go pick up some bundles real quick. You know, nothing too crazy. We gotta hurry up though, because we have class at 5:30. So I have an 11:30 class. The 12:30 class, a 2 p.m. and a 5:30. I just went to 2 classes. And then I have a 2-hour break. My next class is at 5:30, so we finna do what I just told y'all, and yeah. Sorry, can you say that again?
Okay, how may I help you?
Can I get the steak garlic nacho fries?
Okay.
And can I get 2 Dorito hard tacos?
Okay.
And can I get an order of your where is it at? Those delight balls?
The Cinnabon delight? The
Yes.
Cinnabons?
Yes, ma'am.
The 2-pack or the 12?
The 2. Yes.
God bless. Small, medium, or large?
Medium?
Medium, okay.
That's it.
Alright, you said it'll be $15.33. Would you like any sauce on the side?
Hot sauce, please.
Hot sauce. And would you like to round up support education?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that'll be $16. Please go forward.
Thank you. Thank you. You too. Gonna eat real quick. About half a glass. I was like, I want to eat something, but I don't know what. Let me tell y'all what else is on the plan for this week. Hair appointment, another appointment is tomorrow. Going to visit my mom, I think, at the hospital, because as y'all saw in yesterday's clip, she gave birth, and I think I might have shown a video of her. I'm not sure, but yeah, I got 2 tacos. Oh, can't wait to eat 2 of these, and I got the garlic whatever nacho fries. It looks so good, y'all. Y'all see this? I'm gonna eat and then get back with y'all.
Beauty, but the dollar weed and clover are popping up everywhere. It's time to start cutting them back with Scott's Turf Builder bonuses. It kills.
I just got out the beauty supply. I spent $81, okay? I'm gonna show y'all what I got real quick because I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. They didn't have the Purple Pack brand, which is the hair that I usually get. So I got this one. Like, ooh, $60. Yeah, but I got this one. It's an 18-inch for my hair appointment tomorrow. I got this bonnet for my mom. She wanted a bonnet. She's in the hospital right now. I got this purple lip liner. I'm gonna see what I can do with this. I might wear this for Valentine's. I'm trying to think how I'm gonna do it, but I think I want to wear like a purple like look, you know? Yeah. I got these earrings. They're $5. I think I'm gonna wear these as well for Valentine's. So yeah. I got this glow lip oil or lip gel. I seen my sister wear it and it's like, oh yeah, that's tea. Like, I love it. And last but least, I got this. Done with class.
But these bitches in my business coming out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. Get the fuck on my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy spinning like a great escape. I need no drink, gold eyes on chains. I'm fucking, I am making love.
Hey y'all, so I got my hair all taken down. It's 9:38. I have a nail appointment at 10. She's 30 minutes away. I'm 10 minutes late. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm getting my nails done. Let's try to take some minutes off of this estimated arrival time because I am late and I have things to do today.
No more. What the fuck you crying for? I'm moving service calling on my favorite. You know how to reach me anytime and it pays you right. Rise up the night, we committed crime. Where you belong, no more sacred spot. We can't be outside cause the baggage too high. Never on your mind. Wherever you are, don't call me. So I'm slow, I'm up the low, I'm out of range. Burning on the suddenly, I like to get it poppin'. But these bitches in my business got me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. I need total confidential privacy. No one knows thinking I'm a robot. Time so strange that we on the first class trip. Don't work my nerves, you know I get bored. Yeah. Fucking we ain't making love no more. You talk that talk but he don't match up with. So strong whatever you want. Whatever you need. Don't call me. But the bitches in my business got me out to choosing violence. See me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep that like nobody knows. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep that like nobody knows.
Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain that gently touches my soul. It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control.
butterfly braid right now.
That's
So y'all, this is how you do the butterfly braid. You do a regular braid and you want to fluff it out and like pull it out so it can get like that messy butterfly look. Period.
it's pretty. It's
Here y'all, get into it.
it's different, but all my styles be so pretty though. Can you see it?
From the way it was, jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. Don't need me sleep past 1 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel strong again. Freedom just join the party. I don't need nobody. All that I got, this is in pages. Not gonna lie, sorry I'm faded. I forgot.
Run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Just lovely. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me, just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' fun.
Hey y'all, we are going to Yard House. It's Valentine's Day. Now we're at Yard House finna order some food. Y'all, my phone has dropped on the way to me trying to talk to y'all, but we're at Yard House finna order our food. That's it? You want me to record you and that's all you doing? Okay.
Hurry up. You're lying. These are free.
What's wrong? Sorry, y'all gotta know about you having a bad day, just still not make everybody else feel bad. good.
Is this a five-star restaurant? Is this a five-star restaurant? Is this a five-star restaurant?
Yeah. Do they help or no? Should have got that. Do it again. Do it again. It was kind of cheesy. Didn't work. They is not playing on this season.